Chapter number 6, le ciel bleu, le parc vert. We are going to start up with the back exercise. Question number 1. What we have to do in this question is, you can see in the given picture, rainbow is given and rainbow is called as, you need to write the names of colors in the rainbow, okay? And rainbow is called as l'arc-en-ciel. What it is called as? L'arc-en-ciel. Écrivez les noms des couleurs de l'arc-en-ciel en français. In French, you have to write the names of colors, okay? So if I just talk about the colors in English, in the rainbow, what is our short form? This will never be getting wrong if you just say it. It's VIBGYOR. V stands for violet, then indigo, then blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. So accordingly, you have to just write the colors in your French language. With V, it's violet. So just divide the given question in two parts. Okay? Draw a line in between, because you have to write both in masculine as well as feminine. So violet, then is violet, double T-E. Then second is indigo. Second is indigo, and here also it is same, no changes there, indigo. Then third is blue, blur, and for the feminine we'll add E to it, blue. Next is where, that is green, and for feminine I'm going to add E with it. Next is jaune, it is same in both the cases because it is already ending with E. Next is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange. Orange is same in both the cases again, because it is ending with E, and in orange, there is an exception with orange and marron. Either it's masculine, feminine, or plural. It will remain same in all the cases. Last one is R, that is red, and we call red as rouge in French. And again, it is same in both the cases. Now, question number 2. What you have to do here is, you need to translate the given sentence into French. It is given in English. Traduisez au français comme dans l'exemple. One example is given to you. The first one is done for you. It is written, I like the red flower. J'aime la fleur rouge. Question number 2. A part is done. Now we are going to do the B part. It is written, you dislike the black car. First of all, you is tu. Dislike is deteste. And with ER ending verb, tu ke saath aata hai ES. Tu déteste la voiture rouge. Noir, red, black car. So black is noir, okay? And you can see that voiture is feminine, la voiture hai, to isliye noir mein we will add E to it, okay? How you are going to add the colors? Just you have to focus on the given thing. Here in the first sentence, the thing is car. Car is voiture. It is la voiture. La voiture means it is feminine. So with feminine, we add E to the color. Okay. So tu détestes la voiture noire with an E. Next is, he has a white dog. He is il a un chien, because we are talking about dog, not a bitch. Il a un chien blanc. Okay. Next, D part is, the pen is green. Le stylo. Now you can see here that stylo is masculine. Le stylo est vert. Next, E part. There are blue butterflies. Il y a des papillons. Because here we are talking about so many butterflies. Il y a des papillons bleus. Blur with an S because you are talking about plural. Clear, everyone? In question number 3, you need to change the given sentence into plural sentence, okay? So, first of all, I'll tell you one thing here, that the plural of je is nu. The plural of tu is vu. The plural of il is il, and the plural of el is el. This is so. So here in this sentence, you have to change the given sentences into plural. Seth yun jup. A part is Seth yun jup. Seth का plural होता है sir song. Sir song de jup. Violet के साथ हम लगाएंगे s. Next, B part. It is written j'ai un livre orange. Je का plural होता है nous. Nous के साथ avoir verb में आता है avons. So your answer will be nous avons. Un will be changing to they. Livre will be changing to livre with an s. And orange will remain same because orange color never changes. Either it's feminine or plural or feminine plural, masculine plural, whatever it is. Orange remains same in each and every case. Next is il a un jouet bleu. He has a blue ball. Il plural of il is il. And with il, in avoir verb, it's ont. Il a will be changing to they, jouet to jouets, and bleu to bleu. So this way, step by step, just focus on the given words. First of all, change the subject to plural. Then accordingly, the given verb into plural. Then if it is or yun, it will be changing to des. Whatever the subject is given, you will add s to it. That's it. This is the way how you will be doing the particular sentence to plural. Next is Seth yun lomp grease. Seth will be changing to serson. Yun will be changing to they. Then lomp to lomp with an s. And grease will be changing to grease with an s. E part, thu a. The plural of thu is vu. Vu के साथ आता है ave. Vu's ave. Yun will be changing to they. Regle to regle with an s. Then noir will be changing with an s. This is your question number 3. I hope it is clear. Please write it down. Now question number 4. In this, it's a kind of puzzle given, and you need to write the name of colors, and it is given below. Horizontal et vertical. Horizontal is horizontally, you have to fill the colors, and vertical is vertically. Okay, so first of all, I'll be doing horizontal. First is green. Green is wet. Okay, you can see in the first horizontal, green is wet. Then second is gray, that is grease, G-R-I-S. Then third is pink, that is rouge. Then fourth is brown, that is marron. Then fifth is white, that is blanc. Then sixth is purple, that is violet. These are the horizontal colors. Now I'll be telling you the colors vertically accordingly. Vertical. Seventh is blur, that is blue, B-L-E-U. 8th is yellow, that is John. Then 9th is black, that is Noir. Then 10th is orange, that is orange. Then 11th and the last is red, that is rouge. Now you have to fill it accordingly, and you can also write the colors in front of the English one so that it will be clear to you. Now the last question is question number 5. In this, pictures are given to you. You can see in the book, and you need to identify the name of season. Écrivez le nom des 4 saisons français. Write the name of 4 seasons in French. So according to the picture, you need to write the seasons. The first picture is Le Printemps. It's a spring season. You can see. Wait for a while. Yes, first one is the spring season. It's Le Printemps. Next, the right one is l'automne. You can see the trees, leaves are falling down. It's the autumn season, l'automne. Next is winter, snow is there and the earth is white. It's winter. And the last, you can see in the picture, the sun is shining. It's the summer season, that is l'été. Okay. So this completes with your chapter number 6. I hope you have done page number 67, 68 and 69 in your notebooks. One verb is left, that is the aller verb. Okay, that we will do in next class. From this chapter, only one verb which is given on page number 65, that is aller verb, is left, that we are going to do in next class.